Hello and welcome to the Z31 and 300ZX Quick Steering Knuckle installation video. Now, this is the install video. We already have a product overview to get yourself familiarized, but these really are pretty simple pieces. They're just steel, zinc-plated steering knuckles with a shorter ratio and two optional ratios to get you in either track mode or drift mode. Now, installation is pretty simple, so there's really not much more to do than to take this over to the car. All right, so we're gonna install the steering knuckle onto the apex arm. If you have the factory control arm, it's pretty much the same way. So you're gonna grab the correct side steering knuckle. Note this one. You're gonna remove the cotter pin, take off the castle nut. I don't believe the factory ones come with washers, but ours do. Then you're gonna put on the washer, followed by the castle nut. We went ahead and installed that. Now, if you're installing this on the apex arm, it is 30 to 35 foot-pounds. However, if you're installing it on the factory control arm, use the factory ball joint specs to install it. But then you're gonna go ahead and torque that down. Once it's torqued, then get your cotter pin. Go ahead and position that guy through and have that installed. From there, you're gonna take the factory OEM bolts. This customer did not actually have the OEM bolts. I think he replaced them with the socket bolts, but they'll work just fine. And you're gonna move this to the bottom of the strut. All right, so then you're gonna grab the factory bolts and bolt those on, and you're gonna just torque those to the factory specification, and that's really about it to have the steering knuckle be bolted up. Now, you still have your tie rod to get bolted up. Now, if you're running the factory tie rod, you just put in the tie rod and again torque to whatever the factory recommendation is. If you're running the apex tie rods, we're gonna go over the torque settings and the installation of those onto our quick steering knuckles in the tie rod installation video. So stay tuned to that one.